I'm here in my garage. Or is it my kitchen? Maybe it's my laundry room. You can be in all of those places and more with my new Residential Atmospheres sound pack. The pack includes over 3 gigabytes of sound from 20 different residential spaces. That includes stereo impulse responses you can use to create reverb of different locations, as well as an hour and 40 minutes of looping room tones. All that is available for only $3.99 on my Patreon. Plus, you get access to my previous sound effects packs, creaks and squeaks, and switches and buttons, as well as ad-free early access to all my videos and exclusive behind-the-scenes content. March is the last month that $3.99 tier will be available. I'm updating all of my tiers starting in April, so get the sound effects packs now while you can at this price.